Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix settings not opening or not responding Windows 10. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Restart system. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. Exit and restart system. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand current version, click and expand policies. Create new key named as Explorer under policies. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as No Control Panel, change value data to 0. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar, click Windows 10 download. Click Download tool now. Open downloaded file. Click Accept. Check Install Windows and also check Keep Personal Files and Apps. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.